Today, we're talking about Huawei's latest and most exciting innovation yet, the Huawei Mate XT, the company's first ever tri-folding smartphone. Isn't just futuristic, it also sets the Mate XT apart from competitors like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. The Mate XT's screen size and functionality, combined with its sleek less than 5mm thickness, make it a powerhouse for anyone looking for a device that combines phone and tablet capabilities in one seamless package. In one of the teaser videos shared by Huawei, we got a glimpse of the rear panel, which appears to be made from a leather-like material. This adds a premium, elegant touch to the device. The material isn't just about aesthetics, it also offers a better grip, ensuring the device feels secure in hand despite its large size. Another interesting feature is the octagon-shaped camera module on the back. While we haven't gotten official confirmation on the camera specs just yet, Huawei's previous devices are known for their excellent cameras, so we can expect great things from the Mate XT. Whether it's for photography, video calls, or AR experiences, the camera setup will surely impress. If you're someone who loves having tons of storage space, you'll be happy to hear that the Huawei Mate XT will come in two memory configurations: 16GB RAM/512GB storage, 16GB RAM/1TB storage. These configurations were listed on Huawei's online store, and they're quite impressive. 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM will ensure smooth multitasking and seamless performance, while UFS 4.0 storage offers blazing fast data transfer speeds. Whether you're using the Mate XT for gaming, editing videos, or working on complex tasks, you'll have plenty of power and storage at your fingertips. Huawei is already taking pre-orders for the Mate XT, with the window open until September 19. Sales officially begin the next day, so you won't have to wait long to get your hands on this cutting-edge device. As for pricing, the Mate XT is expected to cost around $4,000, which is roughly double the price of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. That's a hefty price tag, but given the innovative tri-fold design and high-end specs, it's clear Huawei is targeting customers who want the very best in mobile technology. One area that remains a bit of a mystery is the Kirin chipset that will power the Mate XT, that usually run through Google. One of the biggest concerns with foldable phones has always been the crease in the screen where the folds occur. With the Mate XT's tri-fold design, we could potentially see double the number of creases compared to traditional foldables. This might be a concern for users who prioritize a smooth, uninterrupted viewing experience on the massive 10-inch internal display. However, Huawei has proven time and again that it can innovate even in the face of challenges. Given how well the company has handled foldables in the past, there's hope that the Mate XT will come with improved technology to minimize or even eliminate the severity of the creases. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Huawei Mate XT? Is the Huawei Mate XT worth the hype? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.